Hi there, I'm Sean Dillman. In this video, I'll be unboxing a new Fujitsu fi-8170 scanner and showing you everything that's included in the box. I'll be going over what's included and quickly showing you some of the different parts and functions of the scanner unit. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, please check out my video in which I review the fi-8170 in action. If you decide to purchase an fi-8170, please use my link below so that I'll get a small commission from Amazon, which will support me and my channel. To get started, let's take a look at the outside of the box and see if there's any useful information. This is the top. I've already removed the shipping information. I don't believe there was anything useful underneath that. This is the front side of the box. It's the same as the other side. We've got this nice image of the scanner here, and it just says Fujitsu Image Scanner. And then this side of the box is the same as the other, and it actually has a few useful pieces of information, which is that this machine is ISIS and Twain compatible, and that's something that's very important for a lot of people and something that I'll be talking about more, especially in the review video. As usual, I'll use my trusty box cutter to open the box, and I've set the blade to a short distance to ensure that I'm not cutting anything important while I'm opening the box. Alright, so as with most Fujitsu products, as soon as you open the box, there's this helpful diagram on the top that actually tells you what the contents are. So from this, I'm thinking that we've got some packing material here, we've got the scanner unit itself, a piece that connects to it, I believe, the USB cable, I'm guessing, and then the power adapter. So let's keep opening it and see what's inside. Okay, so as soon as we open the box, we find that there's this smaller box on the top. I'm going to set this to the side for now and then empty the box, and then we'll come back to this one. The next thing that I found when I opened the box was this plastic piece. I'm not sure what it does yet, so I'm going to set it to the side and we'll come back to it. Okay, so continuing on, I'm going to take out these styrofoam pieces, and then I'm going to use two hands to pull the scanner out. Okay, so that is the contents of this box. So now we're going to go back to that smaller brown box and see what's inside. Okay, so looking at these contents one by one, we have an AC adapter, we have the power cable for the adapter, we have a USB cable. Next up, let's open up this bag and we'll see what kind of documentation is included. We have a safety precaution guide, we have a limited warranty guide, we have a getting started guide, and we also have a setup DVD-ROM. If you'd like copies of any of these documents, please see below in the description section, and you'll see where I've included links to scanned copies. With respect to the DVD, many computers these days are being made without CD and DVD-ROM drives, so if you'd like to download the software that's on this DVD, please see below in the description section, and I've included the links there. Alright, now let's open up the scanner unit itself. Here it is in this bag. Okay, I'll put it on the table. Alright, here's what the fi-8170 looks like out of the bag. Now let's take a closer look at the front, the back, the sides, and a little bit of the inside of the scanner. Alright, so here's the front of the fi-8170. As you can see, we've got the logo over here, and over here we've got the control panel, including the menu button, manual feed button, power button, scan enter button, and this stop clear button. And if you'd like more information about the panel here and how the scanner actually works, please be sure to check out my review video. Turning to the sides of the scanner, as you can see, there's nothing on this side. It's just completely clean. And then the same is true on this side. It's just the clean side. Moving to the bottom of the scanner, just got these two little foot pads which are used to keep the scanner in place and to make sure that it doesn't slide around on the table. Moving slightly up from the bottom of the scanner, this is where the paper is going to come out after it's scanned. You can see that we've got these wheels here. There's also this tab here that can be extended so that the paper will come out after it's scanned. So this is what it looks like on the bottom. And this is what it looks like from the side. Finally, moving to the back of the scanner, this is where we plug in the power. This is a network cable connection. This is where we can attach the USB cable. And this is a connector for an exterior cable, which we can use if we want something else to happen after a document is scanned. And if you'd like to know more about this exterior connection port, please be sure to check out my review video. There's also this security slot here, which you can use with a cable like this if you'd like to securely tether your scanner to your desk. Now let's take a look at the inside of the scanner. So you see that we've got this tab here, pull on that, and this is what the inside looks like. So as you can see, it's really easy to get into the scanner. You just pull that tab and then it opens up. And we're going to want to do this if there's ever a paper jam or if we ever need to change the wheels in the future or something like that. Now let's bring in that piece that I found earlier. It actually goes on the top of the scanner and it's used to hold the paper that's about to be scanned. So to install it on the scanner, it's actually really easy. You just bring it in like this, just kind of angle it in, and there you go. It just clicks into place like that. With respect to the size and weight, this unit is 11.8 inches wide and 6.4 inches tall and 6.6 inches deep. However, when you install both of the extender units, it goes up to a maximum of 12.7 inches tall by 24.2 inches deep, and it generally weighs about 8.8 pounds. That concludes my unboxing of the Fujitsu fi-8170 desktop scanner. If you like this video, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please be sure to check out my videos in which I review this scanner in action, show you how to install and set up the PaperStream capture software, and show you how to use it with the scanner. If you end up purchasing a Fujitsu fi-8170, please use my link below so that I'll get a small commission from Amazon, which will help support me and my channel. If you want to learn more about other Fujitsu products, please be sure to check out my videos in which I review scanners from the Fujitsu ScanSnap series. Thanks again for watching. As always, I'm Sean Dillman.